take 68, GoPro 12, HDR, high dynamic range. What do you need to have a beautiful HDR video? A lot of sun and a lot of shadows. You have plenty of it. You can download the original sample. There will be a link in the description for you, and test it out on your TV, on your compatible device, HDR device. I already did that with a different file, and for some reason my LG OLED TV, which is like 2 years old, didn't recognize it as a HDR video. When I'm recording with certificate HDR from Galaxy S21, it will recognize, it will prompt me on the screen that is a HDR experience. This isn't. This is not the case. Maybe my TV is too old. Maybe your TV will recognize it as a HDR video. Let me know in the comment below. Because if it's not, it must be not real HDR. It must be something else. Something... Well, I don't know. There you go. GoPro 12. In 4K. This is 4K. This is not 5K. Maybe 5K is not compatible with HDR. I mean, you can choose it, but I've choose the least... I choose the best profile to record HDR. It means 4K, wide, 24 frames per second. This should be working. I could understand 5K because it's a different resolution and maybe HDR will, but this should be working. My English is not that great. Let's hope you understand me. This is it. GoPro 12 HDR experience. Bye.